Dear students, welcome to the online classes. In the last session, we learnt about what is the ordered pair, how the ordered pairs are generated, and what is the actual definition of ordered pair. And after that, when you say that two ordered pairs are equal, I have given a small definition about two ordered pairs A and B are said to be equal, then their corresponding component must be equal. For example, AB is equal to CD if and only if A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Under that, we have solved one problem. That problem is very, very important for 1 mark category. But in the today's class, we will take one of the concept that is called Cartesian product of sets. How to multiply two numbers, you know. Suppose you have two numbers 2 and 4. Suppose we have two numbers 2 and 4. Then how to multiply? Very simple. 2 and 4 multiplication is 2 into 4 is equal to, simply you write it as 8. If there is a small algebraic expression x and y, then how to multiply x and y? How to multiply x and y? Which is very simple. That is x into y. X into y, you write it as xy. There is no rule for multiplying the numbers of some algebraic expressions. But in case of sets, suppose we have two sets, A is equal to some 1, 2 and B is equal to some 3, 4, then multiplication is possible. Yes, those two multiplication, that is, the type of multiplication is nothing but Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product of two sets, that is A cross B, which is equals to 1, 2 cross with 3, 4. 1, 2 cross with 3, 4. You can't write directly 1 into 3 is equal to 3. After that, 2 into 4 is equal to 8, which is not correct method. Why? Because the Cartesian product of two sets, which says the definition little bit higher than simple multiplication. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 3 ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ. 3 ಮತ್ತು 4ರ ಗುಣಲಬ್ಧ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಗುಣಿಸು 4 ಅದನ್ನು 12 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. We can write the number 3 into 4 as 12. ಎರಡು ನಮಗೆ ಪದಗಳಿವೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ x ಮತ್ತು y ಗಳು ಚರಾಕ್ಷರಗಳಿದೆ. x ಮತ್ತು y ಗಳಿದೆ. ಅದರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ x into y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು, xy ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ, ಎರಡು ಗಣಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಗಣಗಳ ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಣಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ವಿಧಾನ ಇದೆ. ಆ ವಿಧಾನ ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜನರಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಗುಣಾಕಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿ ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಟು ನಾನ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್. Cartesian product of sets says given two non-empty sets P and Q, we should take two non-empty sets. What is the meaning of non-empty? The sets is not equals to empty. Correct? Empty. Non-empty set ಅನ್ನು ಇರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಗಣಾಂಶಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರಬಾರದು. ಗಣಾಂಶಗಳು ಇರಬೇಕು. Non-empty. It not equals to empty set. Non-empty. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಗಳು ಇರಬೇಕು. Non-empty sets P and Q ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. The Cartesian product P cross Q, what we call this product is nothing but Cartesian product P cross Q is the set of all ordered pairs of elements from P and Q. We should take ordered pairs of the elements from the set P at the same time set Q. Therefore, the given two non-empty sets P and Q, the Cartesian product P cross Q is the set of all ordered pairs of elements from P and Q. That is, P cross Q, that is P cross Q is equal to flower bracket ordered pair P and Q. This are P and Q are small letters. P and Q are what? Small letters. Capital P cross Q is the bigger letter. That is capital letter. P and Q are smaller letters. Why? Because P cross Q is equal to this Cartesian product is equal to flower bracket. You should write the flower bracket and elements are writing the ordered pair. Those two elements which are small p coming from capital P and small q coming from capital Q. Then such that definition ordered pair become a Q such that small p belongs to capital P and small q belongs to capital Q, which is nothing but or Cartesian product of two sets. Of course, if you have two sets A and B, suppose you have the sets capital sets A and B, then what happens? Capital A cross B is equal to flower bracket ordered pair small ab, ordered pair small ab, such that small a belongs to capital A and small b belongs to capital B. This is the Cartesian product of two sets definition. Later we will take some examples and we will solve the problems. Under, if you have the Cartesian product of two sets, then what are the notes which are takes place in case of Cartesian product of two sets? I have listed some 4 notes about Cartesian product of two sets. We will take one by one. Note number 1. If n of A is equal to p elements, means number of elements in the given set capital A. Why? Because I have chosen A. Here P and here P both are clash. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ n of A ಅಂತ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ p ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ p ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬಹುತೇಕ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳುವಂತ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, n of ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ A ಅಂತ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ p ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿದ್ರೆ p ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ n of b ಏನಾದರೂ q ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ q ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ then n of A cross b ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ, ಅವುಗಳ Cartesian product ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ PQ ಗೆ ಸಮನಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ PQ ಸಮನಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ n of A cross B can be written in the form of n of A into n of B. What is n of A? n of A is nothing but P elements. What is n of B? n of B is nothing but Q elements. P into Q becomes what? PQ elements. In case ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ in general P cross Q not equals to Q cross P. Very important result for your CET or some of the competitive exam, or whether one more question, Cartesian products are equal, then they may ask the question for 1 mark whether if you have two sets A and B or PA and Q, whether those two Cartesian products are equal or not. Answer is they are not equal. In the general they are not equal. In the general P cross Q not equals with Q cross P. Correct? Cartesian product of two sets never equals to their interchange results. P cross Q not equals with Q cross P. If third notice says that if P is equal to empty, either out of two sets one set is empty, P is equal to empty, or Q is equal to empty, either P empty or Q is equal to empty, then whole P cross Q is empty. Out of two sets ಎರಡು ಯಾವುದರ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಶೂನ್ಯ ಗಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮನಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಶೂನ್ಯ ಗಣವೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. P ಅಥವಾ Q ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಶೂನ್ಯ ಗಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮನಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದರಂತ ಬರುವಂತ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ P ಕ್ರಾಸ್ Q ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಶೂನ್ಯ ಗಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ನೋಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ if P and Q are non-empty sets and either P or Q is infinite set, then so is P cross Q. ಈಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ನಾನ್ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರೋದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್. Out of two sets, any one of the set is infinite, then what about P cross Q? Then P cross Q is also infinite. Then the so is P cross Q means P cross Q is also infinite set. Why? Because out of two sets, any one of the set is infinite set category, then P cross Q category is also infinite set ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರಂತ ಬರುವಂತಹ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿನ ಥಿಯರಿಗಳಾಗಿವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ problems which are based on Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product of two sets we will discuss with the help of some problems. This is the very important concept where we can able to find out the Cartesian product of two sets with the help of some ordered pair values. We will take one by one problem. They may ask the question, example, if P is equal to ordered pair, set ABC, Q is equal to a set that is R, form the sets P cross Q and Q cross P are these two products equal? Correct? They may ask the question. They are given two sets P cross P and Q, non-empty sets. For the sets P cross P and Q cross P means we have to find out both P cross Q and Q cross P. Are these two products equal? Are these two products equal? Their question. Solution given P is equal to A, B, C, Q is equal to singleton R. After that, whatever job is to find P cross Q is equal to A, B, C cross with R is singleton R. Then how to write is, you should take the flower bracket. After that, you write first element coming from what? P, another element coming from what? R. There are single element. I will write it as AR. After that, BR. After that, CR. Look at the value P cross Q. Why? Because this ordered pair, it looks like P cross P comma Q, small p comma small q. Out of small p coming from capital P, small q coming from what? Capital Q. Therefore, what is the value of AR, BR, CR? A coming from capital P. Yes, A is coming from capital P. What about Q? Small r coming from what? R. Correct? This, I will say one more thing is, out of first component, A, B, C, it is nothing but set P. Correct? What happens? In case of P cross Q, AR, BR, CR. Here first component, A, B, C, it is nothing but set what? P. Then what about the R? There are three elements. In case of set, you must write single element. Correct? Therefore, second component, which is nothing but a second set, and first component of the ordered pair gives first set, that is exactly P, and second component of second member, which gives the idea of second set, that is exactly Q. Yeah. After that, Q cross P, it is equal to, first you write Q, that is R, cross with A, B, C. How to write? It is equals to RA. Correct? RB. After that, RC, which is nothing but our Q cross P. Correct? Are you followed or not? RB, RC. What about the first component? First component tells us the first set. What the first set? Q. Q is R or not? Yes, singleton R. Because R. There are three times R. You write it as singleton. After that, A, B, C is the second component, which is the second set. Now it is second set P. Before first set is P, second set is Q. Now Q cross P means first set is Q, second set is P. These are the values. Now P cross Q and Q cross O. Are these products are equal? Here by observing, call it as equation number 1. Call it equation number 1. From 1 and 2, the first and second components of the ordered pairs are different. So P cross Q not equals with Q cross P. What you have to write? From the equation 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, the first and second components of the ordered pairs. First and second components of the ordered pairs are different. They are not equal. Hence P cross Q not equals to what? Q cross P. In the general, A cross B not equals to B cross A. This is the question. We will take some other questions. Next question. Example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 3, 4, and C is equal to 4, 5, 6. Find first one, A cross B intersection C. Second one, A cross B intersection A cross C. Third one, A cross B union C. Fourth one, A cross B union A cross C. Let us take one by one. Let us discuss one by one question and answers. First, solution. Solution number 1. Solution number 1. What is the number 1? A cross B intersection C. B intersection C, it has B and C both are two sets. Those two sets, our job is to find first intersection. Then B intersection C becomes single set. Now, B intersection C is equal to, what is the value of B? B is nothing but 3, 4. 3, 4 intersection with C. C is nothing but 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. What is the value? Intersection means common element we have to find out. 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. What is the common element? Singleton 4. Singleton 4. Now A cross B intersection C. A cross B intersection C is equal to, what is the value of A? A is nothing but 1, 2, 3 cross. What is the value of intersection? B intersection C is nothing but singleton 4. Singleton 4. Then which type of multiplication? Multiplication is occurs with the help of Cartesian product of two sets. What it tells? It tells us that 1 to 4, correct? First element coming from capital A, that 4 coming from B intersection C. 1 4, comma 2 4, comma 3 4, which is nothing but A cross B intersection C. A cross what? B intersection C. After that, second one. Second one. What is the value of second one? A cross B intersection A cross C. First our job. A cross B. A cross B is equal to what? A is nothing but 1 2 3. A is nothing but 1 2 3 cross with A cross B is nothing but what? 3, 4. Which type of multiplication? Cartesian product of two sets. First I will clear. Just to observe here carefully. 1 3. First I will clear 1 3 1 4. Correct? 1 3 1 4. Are you agree? 1 3 1 4. After that 2 3. Correct? 2 3 2 4. 2 4. After that what? 3 3 3 4. 3 3 3 4. Close. Don't write, sir, 3 3 is a single. You can't say. In case of ordered pair, 3 comma ordered pair 3 comma 3 same as 3 comma 3. But in case of set, singleton. Here 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4 3 3 3 4. You call it say A cross B. A cross B. Next, what you have to find out? A cross C. A cross C is equal to, what is the value of A? A is nothing but what? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Cross. A cross C. C is nothing but 4 5 6. 4 5 6. 4 5 6. Which is nothing but what? Which is equal to, how to write? First 1 4 1 4. Or I will write here only, correct? The length space is correct. It is nothing but what? 1 4 1 4 1 5 1 6. 1 4 1 5 1 6. Next 2 4 2 5 2 6. Correct? After that 3 4 3 4 3 5 3 6. Correct? What it tells, A cross C, n of A cross C, how many elements? N of A into n of A cross C. This is A cross C. Correct? Whether it is clear or not. 1 4 1 5 1 6. 2 4 2 5 2 6. 3 4 3 5 3 6. Correct? Look at the first component. 1 1 1 2 2 2 3. 1 2 3 is yes or no? Yes. 1 2 3. Second component 4 5 6. 4 5 6. 4 5 6. 4 5 6. Correct? 1 4 1 5 1 6. 1 4 1 5 1 6. Or when you write it as 2 1 4 2 4. Yes, 2 4. 3 4. Yes, 3 4 like that. Otherwise, better you complete first cycle. 1 4 1 5 1 6. 2 4 2 5 2 6. 3 4 3 5 3 6. Which is nothing but what? A cross C. Whether the A cross C values are correct or not. How many elements are there? Here there will be 3. Here there will be 3 into 3 becomes 9 elements. 9 elements are there or not? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Therefore, answer is correct. A cross C. Then A cross B intersection A cross C. Then A cross B intersection A cross C. I will write here. Correct? Then A cross B intersection A cross C. Now A cross B intersection A cross C, which is nothing but A cross B intersection A cross C, which is nothing but what? 1 3 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4 3 3 3 4 intersection with A cross B A cross C. 1 4 1 4 1 5 1 6 2 4 2 5 2 6 3 4 3 5 3 6. Correct? Then what are the possible values? Intersection means common, we have to find out. Elements are nothing but ordered pairs. In case of Cartesian product, elements are nothing but ordered pairs. In case of set, elements are nothing but numbers. Correct? In case of set, elements are nothing but numbers. In case of Cartesian product, elements are nothing but ordered pairs. In case of power set, elements are nothing but sets. Then what is the intersection? Which is equals to permanganate acid is intersection common element dot by 1,4. Correct? 1,4 is a common. 2,3 is not a common element. 2,4 is common. After that, 3,4 is common. 3,4 is common. 1,3, here will be 1,3 or not? There will be no 1,3. 1,4, yes, 1,4 is there. 1,4 is there. 2,3, here there will be no 2,3. No 2,3 here. After that, 2,4, yes, there will be 2,4. 3,3, here there will be no 3,3. 3,4, there will be 3,4. Therefore, it is A cross B intersection. A cross B intersection A cross C. Correct? After that, third one. Third one, A cross B union C. Before that, B union C. What is the value of B? B is nothing but 3, 4. B union C. C is nothing but what? 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. What is the union tells us? Union tells us that it is nothing but 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Union tells us that 3, 4, 5, 6. Union. After that, A cross B union C. A cross B union C is equal to, what is the value of A? A is nothing but 1, 2, 3 cross with B union C, that is 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what is the value? Which is nothing but 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Are you following or not? Starting from 1. There are the elements 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. After that, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. After 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. 3, 5, 3, 6. How many elements? If there are 12 elements according to the node, N of A is equal to 3. N of B union C is equal to 4. 3 into 4 becomes 12 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Correct? There are 12 elements. A cross B union C. After that, A cross B union A cross C. A cross B union A cross C. Both. A cross B union A cross C. Fourth one. A cross B is equal to 1, 2, 3. A cross B. B is nothing but 3, 4. Which is nothing but what? 1, 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4. Correct? A cross B 1, 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4. 3, 3. Sorry, 3, 3. 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, sorry, 3, 3, 3, 4. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4. A cross B. After that, A cross B, A cross C. A cross C is equal to A is 1, 2, 3. Cross with C is nothing but what? 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, which is nothing but A cross C. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. What are the elements? 3 into 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is A cross C. A cross B union A cross C. A cross B union A cross C. Last concept. A cross B union A cross C. Now A cross B union A cross C, which is equals to 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4 3 3 3 4 3 3 3 4 union 1 4 1 4 1 5 1 6 2 4 2 5 2 6 3 4 3 5 3 6. Correct? Union, which is nothing but you write it as common element. You have to write 1 3 1 4. I will write here 1 3 1 4 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 5 1 6 1 6 2 3 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 2 6 2 6. After that 3 3 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6 3 6. Have you followed or not? 1 3 common element. Don't write common element. Mix up the elements. Repeated elements cancel out. 1 3 we have, there is no 1 3, but you write 1 4 we have 2, you write it as single. After that 1 5 we have to write 1 6 here, 2 3 2 3 you have to write 2 4 both 2 times we have to write single time. 3 3 3 3 we have 2 times single time you have to write 3 3 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6, which are nothing but union. I hope these values are very simple to each other. 1 3 last final answer 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6, which are nothing but some of the values under the Cartesian product of two sets. Under some union intersection we are done. Correct? These 4 questions are very important for 3 mark category. After that we don't have the concept of triplet R cross R, which is deleted in your syllabus. I hope these concepts are very clear to you. Thank you for this today's class. Tomorrow we will see more problems on the same topic, that is relations and functions. Thank you.